As you can see here, we have our typical Australian house with single brick veneer and ColourBond corrugated steel roofing. This house has blanket insulation to keep the SolarVenti's warmth in and the cold out. This is the SolarVenti SV20 panel for 100 metre square houses and has a max airflow of 140 cubic metres per hour. It has been installed with the purpose to heat the bedrooms during the winter months and reduce condensation. At the centre of the air collector panel is the PV panel that drives the fan at the opposite end of the system. This particular system has an inline fan that draws the heat and dry air into the lower area. The front section of the air collector panel is polycarbonate wall that insulates the hot, warm air that is produced inside the SolarVenti panel. This SolarVenti is mounted by an aluminium framework directly through the roof material, through the roof structure, then into the bedrooms below. Double insulated ducting maintains the high level of warmth in the air going into the house. The whole system is completely weatherproof and sealed from the harsh Australian conditions, allowing for a life expectancy of up to 15 years with zero maintenance needed. We place the panel facing north because in Australia and the rest of the southern hemisphere, this is where you'll capture the most sunlight and generate the most solar power for the fan. We also look out for any tree or other obstructions that might block the sun from reaching the panel now or in the near future. This unit is mounted on the southern side of the roof to ventilate and dehumidify the bedrooms since they are the coldest rooms in the house during the winter. This in turn creates a comfortable thermal balance throughout the entire house. If we go inside now, in the bottom left-hand corner you can see the round diffuser that distributes the warm, dehumidified air into the hallway and in turn throughout the two neighbouring bedrooms. If we look through the thermal imaging camera, you can see the cold temperature is down to 10 degrees Celsius. The hot air coming out of the vent and entering the house is at 44 degrees Celsius at its highest point. There is a non-return grill on the unit with spinning valve, which is, when taken off, you can then see the SolarVenti fan has been mounted inline with a noise-reducing unit. This cover keeps the humidity low in the house and stops back drafts. When we turn off the SolarVenti at the thermostat, this valve closes tightly to prevent any drafts coming in. The SolarVenti regulator as seen, you have the on-off switch, fan speed control and a temperature control. This was a unique installation in that the two bedrooms behind the hallway shared a wardrobe that zigzagged between the rooms, so ducting is partially visible on both wardrobes. The SolarVenti will fill this hallway with hot, dry air, the adjacent bedrooms, and in turn the complete room space, resulting in comfortable home conditions for years to come.